Hey, welcome to another tutorial from WordPress Page Builders Academy. We have an extensive library of tutorials for all the top WordPress page builders. So be sure to subscribe and hit that bell so you can see them when they come out. Okay, now on to today's tutorial.
Today we'll learn how to create a mega menu using Brizy, a powerful and user-friendly website builder for WordPress. Specifically, I'll be creating a mega menu similar to Tesla's mega menu. Tesla's website design is sleek and modern, featuring clean lines, minimalistic color schemes, and high-quality visuals. The navigation is intuitive, with a simple menu bar providing easy access to different sections of the site. Interactive elements are well designed for a seamless browsing experience, reflecting Tesla's brand of innovation and sophistication. First, go to Dashboard and navigate to the Pages section. Create a new page or edit an existing one where you want to add the mega menu. Click Save Draft and click the Edit with Brizy button. Now that we have a menu in place, what we'll do is create a mega menu. What I like about Brizy is its user-friendly interface and intuitive drag-and-drop functionality. With Brizy, you can easily design and customize your mega menu layout without needing to write any code. Its visual editor allows you to see exactly how your mega menu will look as you're designing it, making it easy to adjust elements and create a menu that matches your website's design aesthetic. Choose or click the item on the menu and you will see the menu icon. Once you click the menu burger icon, you'll see the toggle. Click the toggle to enable the mega menu. Once you click on the toggle button to enable the mega menu, the container will appear, allowing you to fill it with various elements and content. Once you're done, drag and drop a columns element onto the container. Divide the columns as per your mega menu layout. You can adjust the width of the container if you want. Adjust the opacity of the background. Also, you can add an image on the background. Just make any necessary adjustments and customize the style or advanced settings. You can add headings, links, images, or any other content you want within each column to represent your menu items, but what I want to add is only the image and text, just minimal. Upload the image and change the text.
Hey, we've got a quick favor to ask. If you've made it this far into that tutorial, please smash that like button. It will really help out this channel and these tutorials. Okay, now back to the actual tutorial. Thank you.
Next, add another menu option on the right side. Click on each element within your mega menu to customize its appearance, such as font size, color, and background. You can also add animations or hover effects to make your mega menu more engaging. Now you can customize the other menu category by clicking the toggle button to enable the mega menu. Next, by clicking the image and text, you will see the link icon where you want to input the link. So if the user clicks either the image or text, they will be referred to the other page. Also, be sure to check how your mega menu looks on mobile and tablet to make sure it looks how you want. As you can see, it's already responsive but needs a necessary adjustment. Once you're satisfied with your mega menu design, click on Save Draft to ensure it is saved, then click the Preview button to see how it looks. And there you have it. You've successfully created a mega menu using Brizy.
Okay, that's pretty much it for this tutorial. If you liked the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And these videos take a lot of time, so if you do appreciate the content, be sure to subscribe and hit that bell so we can reach more people. Thank you. And if you have any comments or questions, leave in the section below and we will get to them as soon as we can. Thank you very much and see you next time. Bye.